Hey guys, what is up? Today I am bringing you guys a new video. This video is of the cops that I got when Yeezy had restocked some items. I went for 2 items and I got both. I wasn't being greedy trying to get extra for resale, none of that type business. I just focused on the 2 items I went there to get. I got them, and yes, I was very excited about that. And one additional cop, which was not in reference to the Yeezy drops, I was able to get selected for a sneaker unconfirmed as well, so I'm excited about that one. But before I get into the video, if you guys are not subscribed and you're watching this video, please go and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave comments, like my videos. I have shorts on there as well. I just uploaded 4 new shorts that are pretty cool. So if you guys want to go check any of that out, again, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up. All of those small gestures help this channel to grow, and I'll greatly appreciate it. So without keeping you guys waiting much longer, let's get into my video. All right guys, so again, I said I did pick up some drops on the Yeezy restocks, and I also got selected for another item that was unconfirmed as well, which is a little bit, I think, prior to the Yeezy drops, but I'm going to go ahead and throw that one in here also. So here it is. Start with the box. The infamous blue and white Adidas box in size 7. And if you guys can see what it is there, it is the SW Gazelle Indoor size 7. This is none other than the Sean Wotherspoon Indoor Gazelle. I really love this silhouette. The materials on this is crazy, like the corduroy, everything. He wanted the retro look on this shoe and he did his work. He got it. It impressed me. I really like this. I love the SW stitching there on the heel. On top of that maroon is very nice. For some reason, the hints of yellow in this shoe just stand out so well, especially like right here on the tongue, if you guys can see that. It's very nice. And the little hints of green stand out as well. But yeah, very nice shoe. Corduroy material. You have like suede here on the blue lace lines, going to the lace lines, the infamous 3 Adidas stripes of suede. You have Gazelle written there in gold, if you guys can see that. You have some little break-offs of the actual Adidas symbol throughout the shoe. You've got one here cropped off. Here on the toe box on this one. This one's kind of cropped off. I almost have a full one here behind the 3 stripes on this side. But yeah, this is a very nice shoe. You have the maroon patch here on top. It says Adidas. Very nice. And then I'm not sure what's going on with the inside of my shoe, but for some reason the insoles are not staying intact there. They keep coming up. I guess once I apply pressure from wearing them, the weight will have them sit down properly. But it kind of has like this corkscrew look to it. Very comfortable. It's not very stiff. It's breathable. So yeah, that's nice. But yes, guys, here it is. The Sean Wotherspoon Indoor Gazelle. All confirmed out. Oh, and it also came with 2 laces too. I forgot to mention that. It came with the maroon or burgundy and also a white pair. Definitely like the blue in it for now, so I won't do anything change it out here anytime soon. Keep it as is. All right guys, and here is my next one. Yes, Yeezy drop. Like I said, I only went for 2 items on there, and it was 2 items that I don't have. I pretty much have, you know, enough of the 350s. I have a 700. I have the 380. I have one of those, and the other one looks weird. 450, I believe, is what it is. But yes, I definitely went for this slide color in blue because I have not seen this colorway in this one before. You can wear it with a lot of different stuff, and again, it's different. A lot of people were saying they took L's. The app was glitching like tremendously. I think the zebra is the one that caused all the problems. But what was real funny about this one was that I didn't get the winner notification under the item on the app like it tells you sometimes. I kept checking to see if I did get it. I looked under my orders and it said order confirmed, but again, this item never said winner underneath it and gave me the little picture on the page. It never did that. It just showed in my orders that the order was confirmed. So I was like, hey, I'll take it. And sure enough, it showed up pretty quick too, I believe. I think it was like maybe 2 days after I picked this. Didn't get tracking, couldn't see where it was, but it just showed up. So hey, I was very excited about that. But here it is, guys, the Blue Azure Yeezy slide, size 8. Was very skeptical about what size to get. As you guys know, the Yeezy slides, the colorway maybe makes the sizing different. I don't know, but it can't be the material. All the materials the same. So, but yes, I was skeptical of getting this one. I have a size 9 in the soot brown slide, and I also got a size 9 in the Onyx black slide, and that one was very, very big. I ended up giving that one to my husband. So on this one, I decided to go in between a 7 and 9. I got this in an 8 and it fits perfectly. So here it is, guys, the Azure Yeezy slide. All right, so that's one of my 2 Yeezy cops. Now for the next one. The Onyx slide. Again, like I just told you guys, this is my second pair. The first one was too big. It was in a size 9. I got this one in an 8 and it fits perfect. It's not too big, not too small. It is just right. So yes, I was able to get this one. Again, I was not being greedy. I went for the 2 items that I wanted and I got them, and I'm very excited. I let everybody else go for all the other stuff that they wanted. But yes, I hit these. The Azure and Onyx. I mean, I couldn't be happier. The packaging was phenomenal. Boxes had no damage. Again, the shipping was very quick. I believe both came on the same day. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But you guys comment down below. Let me know how you guys did on the Yeezy drop that he did. And if you guys are excited about Yeezy, you know, settling things with Adidas, I think everybody's going to be pleased with that. So I'm glad they worked things out. Glad he's back. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's it with the cops that I got on Yeezy Day is what you want to call it, I guess. And also on my Sean Witherspoon Indoor Gazelle. But before I let you guys go, this is my t-shirt brand here. My original tee. It is unisex, and these are available in PCH, Dallas Galleria. So if you guys are interested in copying one, you can go there and get it. It's in a full size range from extra small to 2X. Just go ahead and cop one. I love the support. I would love to see you guys rocking one of these because this is a very nice shirt. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But thank you guys for tuning in. Again, if you're not subscribed and you watched this video in its entirety, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, give me ideas of other videos you'd like to see. I do have a lot of shorts that I've done here recently. I think I've done 4 on some of the shoes that I've gotten. I do have more shoes coming. They'll be here, and I'll do videos on that. But yes, again, thank you guys for watching. And that's pretty much it. I am Jaywalking Diva. This is Mileage YouTube. You guys have a good one. Peace.